In today's video, I bring to us this new mining project known as Mining PERIA. So I'm going to explain step by step on how this app works and also how you are going to accumulate the token. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and also like and share this video. Okay, so let's dive into the video. What is Mining PERIA? It is a free cloud mining platform for the PERIA cryptocurrency, so you mine and accumulate the token. So I'm going to explain step by step on how you are going to accumulate this token. Don't forget that this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor or guarantee any earnings. So what you earn from this particular mining project depends on your consistency. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to create account, then you start mining. Okay, so when you have the minimum of 500 points, you are going to place your withdrawal. So I'm going to share my own personal experiences while using this app. So for you to start earning from this particular project is to create new account. Okay, so this is how you are going to create account. I will be leaving the link in the comment section of this video because they don't allow me to create another account. I could have shown you guys how you can actually create new account. So when you click on it, you are going to bring you to a place where you are going to put your first name and your last name and put your password and confirm the password. Then the last thing is for you to input the referral code, then you sign up. They are going to send you email, then you go to your email and confirm it. That's all. Then you are going to sign up. It will bring you to this interface. The next thing is for you to start mining, which is very simple. All you have to do is to click this place you are seeing start mining. When you click on it, this is how it looks like. Once this is in end, you are going to click this place and start mining. That is how to mine, nothing more. And every 2 hours you scroll and come and click what you have mined so far. This is where you claim it. Okay, you claim it and you click on it to start mining all over again. That is how basically you can actually earn this token. Okay, and when you scroll, this place you are seeing complete tasks, right? When you click on it, you can also complete some tasks and claim it daily. So let me check if there is anyone. So this particular one now is showing me to claim 3 PERIA token and 7. So I'm going to collect it. Okay, I'm going to collect it now. Where is the other one? I'm going to collect this one too. So you can also complete some tasks here and claim it daily. That is how to mine. It is very simple. So let's come back to home. Are you seeing that my point just increased? So that is how to mine. You mine every 2 hours and claim it and start mining again. And this is another update where you can also earn some token. When you click on start mining again, this place you are seeing group, they just added it new. All you have to do is to click on group and join this particular group. Okay, 30 people can join, and after the season end, they are going to share the token, either 3 PERIA or 4. It depends. Then you are going to scroll here and also claim it. This is what I've claimed from this particular group mining. Okay, so that is how basically to earn from this particular mining project. There is nothing hard here. All you have to do is to be consistent and mine. So this is my personal experiences while using this particular app. Okay, and again, like I said, you can withdraw when you have the minimum of 500 points, but before you withdraw, you have to connect your wallet before you withdraw. When you click on wallet here, as you can see, my own is showing verified, but yours is might not be showing verified. So you have to connect your wallet before you can actually withdraw once you have the minimum of 500 token. But I'm going to be doing a video on how you can actually connect your wallet successful. So that is how basically this mining project works. It's very simple. You can accumulate enough token even without referring anybody. From this particular account, I did not refer anybody. As you can see, 0 active referral. So I refer nobody here, and this is what I've earned so far. Okay, so it's not that if you do not refer anybody, you are not going to earn. No, all you have to do is to be consistency. That is just it. Once you are consistency, you are going to earn enough and gather the token. Once you have the minimum of 500, you are going to withdraw your earnings. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, this is Treasure. I share updates on how you are going to make money online just with your phone, with your internet connection, with no investment required. So if this is the kind of video you like, or you like earning online, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also turn on your bell icon so that whenever I drop new update or video like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and start earning from it immediately. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.